Okay, so we're going to do our room tour. This is coming in the door. We have a, excuse the mess, walk-in closet over here, which is great. If you come around here, we have the bathroom. And I love how in here we have everything, like actually everything. And we have Aesop amenities. And a nice deep bath in there. And of course, there is the fancy toilet, which will probably open as soon as I walk in there. Which, yeah, there you go. Lights come on, freshening spray, and the seat is warm. Sorry to be showing you the toilet, but this is not your average toilet. Anyway, so you don't even have to touch anything. You don't need to turn the light on in the middle of the night when you get up or anything. So yeah, that's the bathroom. And coming out here. Okay, so here we have nice dark furniture. And great view out there, which you can't really see on this angle so much. Beautiful, comfortable bed. I don't know what those wooden leaf things are up there, but they look nice. It's funny, we looked at so many YouTube videos and photos on the internet before we came, but it doesn't really capture it. It is actually a really beautiful room. You can see there the bathroom over there. And the minibar stuff and everything is all very nice. And check out this view. It's pretty good. We're on the 47th floor. And apparently on a clear day you can see Mount Fuji, but it's obviously not clear enough today. Yeah, very nice.